Hi, let's solve this puzzle. Six students, A through F, appeared for an exam which comprised three sections: mathematics, physics, and chemistry. For each student, the marks scored in the three sections are distinct, and in each section, the marks scored by the six students are distinct. What? For each student, the marks scored in the three sections are distinct, and in each section, the marks scored by the six students are distinct. Further, the marks scored by any student in any section is a positive integral multiple of 5. Okay. The three circular graphs given below provide the marks scored by each of the top three students. Top three students, okay, along with their names in the shaded sector in each section. Further, in each graph, the percentage value given at the center provides the sum of the top three marks scored in that section. 62.5, 67. That is by the top three students. What is this? In each graph, the percentage value given by the center provides the sum of the top three marks score in that section. That is by the top three students as a percentage of the sum of the marks scored by, as a percentage of the sum of the marks scored by all the six students in that section. Among B, E, and F, the total marks scored by which student will be the highest? There is a C. How many marks did C score in chemistry? C, how many scored? Okay, I think it's better to make a table here. A, B, C, D, E, F. 3, 3, 6. Okay. For subject math, basic, and chem. So, what is the data we have? B has 55 marks in max. 55. E 50. D 45. In physics, B scored 35. C scored 40. And A scored 55. Here, F scored 60. E scored 80. And D scored 70. Okay, what else now? So what is this percentage? Further in the each graph, the percentage value given at the center provides the sum of the top three marks scored in that section as a percentage of the sum of the marks scored by all the six students in that section. Okay, here the top three students are there. What is their sum? 150. Right, 150. 150 is 62.5 percentage. As a percentage of the sum of the marks scored by all the 6 students in that section. Okay, so this 150 of 3 people is equal to is actually 62.5. 62.5 means 60 is 3 by 5 plus 2.5. 2.5 is what? 1 by 20. 5 percentages. 1 by 25. 1 by 50 is 1 by 50. Huh? Oh. Okay, so multiple of 12.5 into 5. That is 5 by 8. Huh? Huh. 5 by 8 of who all are they? A plus C plus F. Oh, what is the sum? Sum is what is the total? Total will be 240, right? This is 240. That means A plus C plus F is, oh sorry, this is 240. That means this is a 390. What is the sum? 80, 80, 90, 130. 130 is 65 percentage of 65. 65 means 3 by 5 plus 5 percentage. 5 percentage means how much? 1 by 20 of what? A plus E plus F. That is 65. 100 only. It's done that way. 60. 13 by 20. 13 by 20. 20, 200. So this is 330, and these people 200. Okay. Now here it is 30. Oh, here is it. That means 350, 350, 560. Okay, that is what? 560, 560, 890, 980. I think so. So this will be 7 plus 115 plus this is 85, 90 plus this number, and this will be 30 plus this number. Okay, what else? What else? What else? Okay, these are all a multiple of 5. Multiple of 5 less than 35. That is how much? 30, 25, 20, 15, 10, and 5. Where is 0? So we need to make it 200. Is it possible? Yes, 50, 75 on. Something wrong. There's 3 sections for each the mask code in the 3 sections are distinct, and in each section the mask code by the 3 students are distinct. Huh? Okay. The mask code by any student in any section is a positive integral multiple of 5. Given below, provide the marks. Top 3 students along with their names. Further, in each graph, the percentage value given by this at the center provides sum of the top 3 marks scored in that section. Is a percentage sum of the marks scored by all. So, well, I made some mistake. Definitely. That's why I'm not able to find some answer. Let's so this is 50, 100, and 150 divided by sum of A plus C plus F equal to 62.5%. That is 5 by 8. Now that means 3 A plus C plus two 40, 35, and 30, 70. 105 is the maximum we can make. So what is this? 214. Actually, 250. It's not this. This is the total mark percentage. Sum of the marks scored by all the 6 students. Why I'm not reading this? That is total. The total is 240. That means this is paper 90. A plus C plus F is equal to 90. Okay. What are the possibilities? We can use 40, 35, 30, 25, 20, 15, 10, 5. So this is one possibility. 30, 15, and 5. No, 40, 25, and 5. Huh? Huh? We need 19. That is 40, 30, and 20. One possibility. Any other possibility? 35 and 25, 60, 90. Right. 35, 30, and 25, 55, 60, 90. Any other possibility? 40, 65, 40, 65, 70 or 80. No. 40 and 35, 75, 80 and 90. 40, 35. Okay. 35 and 30, 65, 70, 80 and 90. 55, 75. Okay. 3 possibilities also for this paper. It's maths. Now for physics, what is the sum? 85, 90, 130 by total is how much percentage? 65 percentage. That is 13 by 20, 60 percentage. Right. Our totals, time totals 200. This is 130. Remaining is D plus E plus F, which is equal to 70. And we you can use below 35, 30 ounce. 30 to 5. 30, 25, 20, 15, 70, 30, 55, students I did 30, 20, and sorry, 25. One option. Another 30, 50, 30, 20, 50, 50, 65. Yes, only one option is there for DF. 30, 25, and 15. And the total is 200. Now, you look at this 70. This is 3 sides of 210. 210 by t. Total how much? 60 percentage. 3 by 5. White and black. T is equal to 350. 350. 550. 7. So 350 minus 210. 250, 350, 140. We need to make 140 from what? 70, 8, 60. 60 less than 60. That means 55, 50, 45, 40, 35, 30, 25, 20, 15, and 5. Okay, 30, 25, and 15 is we can't use 30, 25, 15. 30, 25, 15. And then this we can't use. Then 55, 35, 40, 45. 55, 35. Uh-oh. The cycles will not repeat and how it happened. For each student, the mass code in the 3 sections are distinct. Okay, for each student, the mass code in the 3 sections are distinct, and each section sorted by the 6 students are distinct. Oh, then we're not able to do this thing. We got 140, right? 50, 55, 105, 105, 55, and 35. One option. 55, 45, 100, and 40. Another option. 55 and 35. 60, 90, 35, 55 and 30, 85. Then no, not possible. Then 50, 50 and 45, 95, 90, 50, 45, 95, 100, 105. Huh? No, it's not possible. 50 plus 40, 90 plus 50, no. 85, no. Okay, 2 options. 2 options for here. No. This. Let's put some different color. Things A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. So A plus B plus C plus D plus E, F plus G plus H plus I equal to 790 minus what is 150 plus 210 plus 130. Basically these sums. Okay, 0, 9, 490. That means 300. This is 300. Now this G plus H plus F, yeah, G H I. This E F G. Sorry, D E F. A B C. Since D has only one thing, let's put something D. 30, 25. That means A plus B plus C plus G plus H plus I is equal to 300 minus how much it is? 30 and 70, right? 70, 230. Okay, does it make sense? Like, I'm not able to find that because the sums are same. What else? Now, here D 30, 25, and 15. 30, 25, and 30. 20, 15. Yeah, now it is. G A B C G has 55, 50, and 30. 55, 50, and 55, 50, and 35. Yes, two options are there, right? 55, 50, and 35. 55 years. 55, 35, and 51 option. 55, 55, 45, and 40. 55, 45, and 40. 55, 45, and what? 45 and 40. 45 here or here. 45 or 40. Yeah, fix it. That's good. Now, ABC has 3. ABC D 30, 25, and 15. 30, 25, and 15. Yeah, 30, 25, 30, 20, 40. 30, 20, 40 works. That will work. So just fixed. 40, 40. Yeah, it will not work. Yeah, yeah. Let's go. 30, 30, maybe 20. 35, 13, 24, 31, 25. No. 40, 35, 50. 14, no. 31. No. Among B, E, F, B, E, F, the total marks scored by which student will be the highest? B, E, which cannot be determined. How many marks did C score in chemistry? C score in chemistry 55. That we can. If the marks scored by A in mathematics were more than that scored by him in chemistry, how many marks did we score in chemistry? What? If the marks scored by A in mathematics were more than that scored by him in chemistry, that means 35, 40, 45, above, more than, like 50 and above. Is there any option for 50 and above? 50 and above is not an option. So whatever is not option, then 45. 45 is also not an option. Then 35 means 40. 40. 40 is an option. Yes. That means A can be 40. A can be 40 then B and C can be 30 or 20, 35 or 50. Oh, that means this is 35 and this is 50. Yes, 50. How many marks did we score in chemistry? 50. Yeah, perfect. If the least marks that any of the 6 students scored in chemistry were scored by B, if the least marks that any of the 6 students scored in chemistry was scored by B, then the marks obtained. If the least marks that any of the 6 students scored in chemistry were scored by B. Okay. So B is okay. That means B has to score 35 or 40. Yeah, 35 or 40. Yes. Then the mark obtained by A in chemistry will be, if it is 35, then it is 50. If it is 40, it has to be 45. So it's, huh? if the least marks that any of the students scored were scored by B, then the marks obtained by A in chemistry will be. If this is the scenario, oh, 35 will not go, then it has to go 40. That means I has to score 45. Yeah. Solved it.